Jharkhand is young and energetic in terms of resources. Almost every resource is unexplored. There's forest on the surface and there's black diamonds called cool under the ground. Further, there is wide range of jungle filled with indigenous flora and fauna. There's also resources in the rivers and streams. These resources suggest high potential to boost the economy of the state and make it a prosperous region.
In the morning, I'm starting to Ranchi today. तुझं नाव काय? विलास शिंदे. विलास शिंदे हा नाव आहे आपला मिनिस्टर. ओके ओके ओके.
फेसबुक था वो शिंदे.
ओके 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 ओके. विलास
एक ना शिंदे मुंबई का.
हाँ उसी कम्युनिटी का. ओके ओके थैंक यू. अभी इस रास्ते से मैं जाऊंगा ना. जाके लेफ्ट लेना पड़ेगा. बताए लेफ्ट लेना पड़ेगा.
हाईवे आएगा.
हाँ ओके. ये है हजारीबाग और यहाँ से 100 किलोमीटर बता रहा है रांची. वंडरफुल पेंडल एट हुरु हुरु चौक हजारीबाग gives very good golden color with the Shiva face on the top. And शाम को आरती होते होंगे राइट. अच्छा 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 अच्छा. ओके. People are with जी 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 जी. People sitting here doing some leisure work, and the puja ceremony will start at the day. And on the way I got this, so salute to the temple. And okay, good. The morning is foggy and my watch says the time is about क्या time हो गया? 6:30. And hope to reach Ranchi by 4 p.m. today. Once more, the puja pendal. Have a great day and goodbye Hazaribagh. Wonderful pendal. Hazaribagh. Hazaribagh, Nagar Nigam Hazaribagh has constructed this. Okay, I'm on the way to, the weather is so pleasant, my God. I can't believe I'm on the way to Ranchi and will reach Ranchi by 4 o'clock I expect because of the good weather. And fog started, it's October now and winter. Welcome winter. Ramgarh is 15 kilometer and Ranchi is 70 kilometer from here. This is very high incline. I have to climb now. Possibly I cannot ride the cycle. I will push the cycle forward. Liju is 1 kilometer, next town. Then comes Ramgarh, it's another 10 kilometer. After Ramgarh, it takes around 55 kilometer to Ranchi. Yes, 2 glasses of sugar cane juice soothes you, calms you down from the heat. Though the weather is not very hot today, the heat is less and the sunshine is warm because winter has started. Sugarcane juice point where I stopped for a cup of juice, not cup, 2 glasses of juice, sugar cane juice. Road is a little scary because it's ascending. Very eluding area before reaching Ranchi. Even Ramgarh is few kilometers, 4, 5, 6, something like that, and then another 45 to 50 kilometers to Ranchi. Long way anyway. The weather is sunny, the road is very wide, and I stopped here especially to show you the mining area, coal mining. Oh my god, this one. Dangerous excavation taking place to mine out coal by Coal India Limited and also some private organizations. This bridge is over the Hi River. And the forward road is inclining. Let's see. Nothing to be surprised. Ranchi, on the way to the Ranchi actually, has got mountains, and there are villages situated below the mountains in the valleys of the mountains. This is the road. The weather is a bit clumsy because there is a thunderstorm possibility and the sound of the cloud. Ranchi is still 45 kilometers away from here, and I have to climb this mountainous terrain to reach Ranchi. If weather condition remains fine, I will reach in 5 hours Ranchi, less than 5 hours. If I take rest even in between, 5 hours. Both the side there are hills. I'll show you the hill, the bigger side. It's in the right side, and this is the road. This is my cycle. And let's proceed. Nothing. This is scary thing. Ghati Kshetra Kripa Dheere Chale. That means it's ascending. The incline mountainous terrain. People say it's about 7 kilometers, and I don't believe. It must be less than that. Whatever, I have to go up. That's a little difficult. There's no way out. But good thing is that when there is ascent, there will be descent as well. Then there will be slope which will go like a bike with gear, without difficulty. Okay, let's proceed. Time for evening break. I got this place here. It's raining, and I had my tea here and a small break. I've got around 3 hours to complete. Within 3 hours, I'll have to reach Ranchi. It's about 30 kilometer plus. Brothers had with chai, coffee, and had a good time.
चलिए
कर दे। हाँ चलिए। कर दे। I am stuck at Ormanjhi. Ormanjhi is a place 10 kilometer, about 10 to 12 kilometer away from Ranchi, the capital city. Terribly rain and it's hard to move ahead. And the rain is accompanied with a thunderstorm. Difficult to move around. See water spilling in a pot in the barrier. And I am standing in a bamboo dhaba. And you see the train, and also you can hear the sound. It's really hard to find out dharamshala or gurudwara right away because it is dark already to move away. So I have to find out a shelter for tonight here itself. Okay, I want you to have a look on the rain and the outpost. That's my side. Okay. Hopefully you can look at me as well. See you soon.
Sunsets take place early in Jharkhand. It comes as early as 5 pm. Today my mentor supposed to cover 120 kilometers from Hazaribagh to Ranchi, but he met outpouring rain with thunderstorm before reaching his destination. So he managed to get a night shelter at Ormanjhi. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. This is Sumit Ajak signing off from Mumbai.